Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine and enjoying these video lectures of artificial intelligence. I am Muhammad Umar Farooq, lecturer Computer Sciences, University of Education, Lahore. We are covering problem solving by search techniques. In our previous lecture, we covered the basic. We covered the greedy best first search, which is not an optimal search. Use the heuristic value as a function. So we also talked about the best first search. So the best first search, the property is that it allow us to revise our decisions. It use the priority queue, and we also talked about the basic properties of A star search. So just look at this slide again. Some basic properties of A star search, that for A star search the function f of x is equal to g of x and h of x. H of x is the heuristic value for node x. What is the g of x and g of x is the cost from initial state to goal, initial state to node x. So A star search is an optimal search if the heuristic is admissible. We also talked about the what is the admissible and the optimal in our previous lectures. So the A star search is a complete search. This is a well-known form of best first search. So A star search will also allow us to revise our decisions as the best first search allow us. So in the same way, the A star search we will use the priority queue. So हमने इस एग्जांपल को हमने पहले भी इसको सॉल्व किया था. Just look at this problem again, that any person want to move from a city Arid to Bucharest. So we use this problem when we are covering our topic greedy best first search. So the cost of to solve this problem, the path cost was 450 when we are जब हमने इसको क्या किया था बेस्ट फर्स्ट सर्च के थ्रू सॉल्व किया था, उस वक्त इसकी कॉस्ट 450 थी. So in this video lecture we will solve this problem by using A star search. So and these values are the values of these are the heuristic values for this problem. So हमने इसको सबसे पहले लास्ट लेक्चर के अंदर देखा भी था, लेकिन दोबारा फिर बात कर लेते हैं कि हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट द g of x value to calculate our function, the value of our function. So just look at this slide again, that the f of t is equal to g of t plus h of t. H of t is our heuristic value and g of t is the distance from the initial state to t state. So in the same way, the f of f is equal to the g of x and h of f, and h of f is the heuristic value of f node. And what is the g of f? G of f is the distance between the initial state to the f state. So just look at this, that g of f is equal to 140 plus 99 is equal to 239. Just add up these two values. This will be the value of f of x. So now we will cover this problem by using the A star search, which is a complete search as well as an optimal search. So just look at this slide. So A is our initial state. So just we will calculate the value of f of A. F of A will be equal to the g of A plus h of A. So g of A will be 0 because this is our initial state. So the 366 is the heuristic value, and then we will explore this node and check whether it is a goal or not. So then these are the three nodes which are directly connected to city A. So then we will calculate the value of f of s, f of t as well as f of z. So f of s is equal to g of s plus h of s. So the heuristic value, we can take this value 253 from our heuristic value table. So the g of s is equal to 140. So the distance from initial state to that state. So this is we add up these two values, which is equal to 393. In the same way, we can calculate the value of f of t, which is equal to 118, what is the 118? 118 is equal to g of t. So the distance between the initial state to t node. So plus 392, which is the value, which is the heuristic value for t. So in the same way, the f of z is equal to 75. 75 is the distance from initial state to state z. So this is the g of z, and 374 the value which is the heuristic value for z node. So look at this point, that which node we will explore at next level. So जरा guess करें कि हम किस नोड को हम जरा explore करेंगे. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम ऐसी नोड को ही करेंगे जिसकी हेरिस्टिक वैल्यू या f of x की फंक्शन की वैल्यू कम है, कि हमें गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए कम से कम रास्ता जो है वो चाहिए होगा, उसी नोड को ही हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे. So we will explore the node s. So just look at this. So we explore this node. So when I visit this node s, and I will mark the red color over here to represent that as we have visited this node s. So just look at this next level, that s is directly connected to r, o, a and f. Just you can ignore this node, बट मैंने इसको लिख लिया क्योंकि जो ग्राफ है हमारा वो डायरेक्ट हमारे पास जो है वो डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ नहीं है, बल्कि अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ है, उसका जो कोई एरो वगैरह नहीं लगा, तो इस वजह से मैंने यहाँ पे ए को भी मेंशन कर दिया. सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस, दैट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन s to r is 80 and s to o is 151. in the same way the distance between s to f is equal to 99. So अब मैं नेक्स्ट किस नोड को विजिट करूंगा? So to decide this question, so the answer of this question, we will calculate the value of f of x. So just look at this point, that we will calculate the value of f of f, f of a, f of o, in the same way f of r. So f of r is equal to f of x is equal to g of x plus h of x. So just look at this, I have calculated the values of g of f, g of a, g of o, g of r. So this is the main point. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे गलती कर देते हैं, जस्ट इसी नोड को ही कंसीडर करते हैं कि 99 प्लस कर लेते हैं उसके हेरिस्टिक के साथ. ऐसा नहीं करना, बल्कि द कंप्लीट पाथ फ्रॉम इनिशियल स्टेट टू दैट स्टेट. सो जस्ट लुक एट this point, g of f is equal to 140 plus 99, so that which is equal to 239. So just look at this, 239 and 176. in the same way, the for node o, just look at this, we will add up 151 plus 140. So just look at this, which is equal to 291, the value of g of o. Then we will add up the value of heuristic. So we will use the heuristic table to get the value of h of o, so which is equal to 380. आप इसको टेबल के थ्रू देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे h of o की वैल्यू क्या है. So I will add up these two values, which is equal to 671. In the same way, I will calculate the value of r, which is equal to g of r plus h of r. h of r is 193, and the g of r is equal to 80 plus 140, which is equal to 220. So now tell me, मैं किस नोड को एक्सप्लोर करूँगा? So इसमें एक चीज़ का याद रखें, अगेन इसमें प्रायोरिटी की यूज़ होगी, जिसको मैंने अभी मेंशन नहीं किया लेकिन यूज़ होती है. So we will compare the values of f a, f of o, f of r, as well as f of t and f of z. इन सारी वैल्यूज को हम कंपेयर करेंगे, और प्रायोरिटी क्यू के थ्रू हम क्या करेंगे, सबकी चेक करेंगे कि किसको हमने एक्सप्लोर करना है. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. सो द लोएस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस नोड, आर नोड, इज द लोएस्ट वैल्यू. इन सब में से जो है वो लोएस्ट वैल्यू इसकी है. सो वी विल एक्सप्लोर दिस नोड because it will be it will be at first location of our priority queue. So I will explore this node. So r is directly connected to s, p and c. So in the same way, we will calculate the value of g of x, h of x. We will calculate the value of f of x. So here are the f of c, f of p and f of s. So just look at this. मैंने s को दोबारा फिर यहाँ पे लिख दिया. You can ignore that value, you can ignore that note, लेकिन मैंने इस वजह से लिख दिया क्योंकि ग्राफ जो है वो डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ है. So just look at this point that f of p. So just look at this के हमारे पास क्या है कि f of p. So f of p is equal to g of p. So what is the value of g of p? 140. G of p is the distance from initial state to node p. So the distance will be 140 plus 80 and plus 97. So just look at this point. So the distance between initial state to p will be equal to g of p, which is equal to 317. So then I will add up the heuristic value, which is equal to 100. So the h of p is equal to 100. So just look at this point that हमारे पास f of p की value 417. In the same way we will calculate the value of f of c. So g of c will be equal to 140 plus 80 and plus 146, which is equal to 366. So then we will add up the heuristic value and as well as the g of c, so which is equal to 526. So just look at this point. This is a very important point. कि अब हम किस नोड को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. So जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि A star search technique is a well-known form of best first search, which allow us to revise our decisions, which use the priority queue. So at this point हमारा जो है वो क्लियर होगा. at this slide हमारा जो पॉइंट है जो कि हमें डिसीजन रिवाइज करने की बात हम कर रहे थे वो यहाँ पे हमारा क्लियर होगा. सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस क्या है कि जो वैल्यूज हैं 449, 447, 671, 642, 46, 415. So the lowest value of function for these nodes which are not visited. So क्या है कि सबसे लोएस्ट वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास f की है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम अपने डिसीजन को रिवाइज करेंगे कि हम r के आगे इसी तरफ नहीं जाएंगे, बल्कि हम क्या करेंगे अपने डिसीजन को रिवाइज करके we will explore the node f because the distance, the value of function is less than the other nodes. So यानी कि जो उसके जो चाइल्ड्स हैं उससे भी लेस आ रही है उसकी वैल्यू. So we will explore this node. In the same way we will calculate the value of f of b as well as f of s. So just look at this slide that f of b is equal to 450 and f of s is equal to 591. So again this is a very important slide that we will again revisit our we can हम इसको दोबारा फिर हम शिफ्ट करेंगे अपने डिसीजन को कि हमारा डिसीजन जो है वो हम उसको रिविजिट करेंगे. तो जस्ट लुक एट दिस स्लाइड दैट द ह्यूरिस्टिक f of x. देन अगेन क्या होगा कि सारी जो हमारे पास जो नोड्स एक्सप्लोर नहीं हुई उन सबको प्रायोरिटी क्यू के अंदर डाला जाएगा और उसमें से देखा जाएगा सबसे लोएस्ट वैल्यू किस नोड की है. देन वी विल एक्सप्लोर दैट नोड. सो जस्ट लुक एट द 449, so 447, 671, 646. In the same way 450, 591, 526, so 417. So this is the lowest value among all the unvisited nodes. So क्या होगा कि जब हम प्रायोरिटी सेट करेंगे तो p नोड क्या हो जाएगी, हमारी प्रायोरिटी के ऊपर आ जाएगी. Then we will explore the node p instead of the exploring this node. कि हमारे पास ये गोल आ चुका है, b is our goal state, but we will not visit this node p. So we will visit the node p. So I mark the red color over here. So इसके आगे के क्या है, जब मार्क किए तो इसके आगे डायरेक्टली 3 इसके कनेक्टेड जो हैं नोड्स हैं. Then we will calculate the value of f of x. so just look at this कि यहाँ पे b की वैल्यू हमें क्या मिल रही है 418 मिल रही है जो कि p के साथ डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है. सो यहाँ पे इस साइड से हमें क्या मिल रही थी वैल्यू 450 मिल रही थी, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो वैल्यू है वो कितनी 418 मिल रही है. So then we will visit this node B because it has the lowest path cost, lowest value of f of x. So just to look at this slide, I have marked the red color over here. So this is our goal state. So यहाँ पे हमारा जो algorithm है वो stop हो जाएगा and it will return the path which is A to S, S to R and R to P and P to B. So just look at this slide that initial state for this problem is A and the goal state is B, and the path returned by the A star search is A to S, S to R, S to R to P, P to B, and the total cost of this path is 140 plus 80 plus 97 plus 101, which is equal to 418. So in our previous lecture we calculated the path cost for greedy best first search. So the path cost for greedy best first search was 450, but for A star search the path cost is 418. So ये जो A star हमने बात की थी कि ये ऑप्टिमल है, तो ये हमारे पास इसने क्या किया, ऐसा पाथ रिटर्न किया जिसकी कॉस्ट जो है वो सबसे कम है. So just look at this problem again, that there are multiple paths to reach from initial state to goal state. Greedy best first search provided us the A to S, S to F, F to B, but the cost of this path is 450. But A star search give us the paths from A to S, S to R, R to P, and P to B, and this is our optimal path. So हमने बात की थी कि optimal search है, तो what is the optimal? If there are क्या करेगी कि ऐसी search technique that will return the optimal path if there are multiple paths to reach from initial state to goal state. तो इसने ऐसा ही किया कि initial state से goal state तक हमारे पास multiple paths हैं, तो इसने वो वाला path return किया जिसकी cost जो है वो सबसे कम है. Just look at this slide, that the condition for optimality. So there are two conditions for optimality. Basically there is one condition that admissibility. If the heuristic is admissible, it mean कि अगर हमारे पास admissible heuristic है, तो हमने इसकी पहले भी बात की है, that never overestimate the cost to reach the goal. In the same way, the another condition is consistency. Consistency required only for application of A star to graph search. So just look at what is the meaning of consistency. हम इसके अब meaning को देख लेते हैं कि क्या इसका मतलब है. So what is the consistency? Consistency is a heuristic value h of n is consistent if for every node n and every successor node and dash. What is the successor? जो कि हमारे पास next generate जो state generate होके आती है. So of n generated by an action A, the estimated cost of reaching the goal from n is no longer than the step cost of getting to n dash plus the estimated cost of reaching the goal from n dash. So just look at this equation जो कि थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा understandable है हमारे पास, कि अगर h of n की वैल्यू जो है वो हमारे पास क्या है, h of n must be less than or equal to the cost of action that we will apply to reach from n state to successor state n dash plus the heuristic value of successor node. जस्ट हम इसको थोड़ा सा डिस्कस भी कर लेते हैं. हम अपना अभी जो ट्री हमने किया था कि इसका क्या मतलब है. सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस पॉइंट. सो A, for example, A is our n state and t is our n dash. So the h of n is 360. So this is less than the h of n and h of n dash, which is 329, and plus the age of the cost of action that we will apply the to move from a to t 118. So यहाँ पे हमें इसका मतलब ये था कि इसकी कॉस्ट प्लस उसके नेक्स्ट स्टेट की जो हेरिस्टिक वैल्यू है दोनों को एड अप करें. So that is the 447. So it will be so अगर ये हमारे पास ग्रेटर है उसके पेरेंट की हेरिस्टिक से, तो हमारे पास जो है कंसिस्टेंसी की जो केस है वो हमारे पास अचीव हो जाता है. So just look at this slide again, that h of n must be less than equal to the cost of action that we apply on n state to move n dash state plus heuristic value of n dash. So ये हमारे पास अगर ये कंडीशन फुलफिल हो जाती है तो हम उसको कह देते हैं कि ये हमारे पास कंसिस्टेंसी जो है वो अचीव हो गई है. सो ऑप्टिमैलिटी के लिए ये हमारे पास once again for the conditions for optimality, first is admissibility and second is consistency. Admissible value, what is the admissible? That will never overestimate the cost to reach the goal state. And the consistency, if h of n is less than equal to the cost of action we apply at n state to move n dash, which is the successor state, plus heuristic of successor state. So in our today's lecture we covered A star search, which is an optimal search, and we solved this problem by using this search technique and by using these heuristic values. So आप इसको ये वाली जो example है, for practice you can solve this problem, which we have solved this problem in our previous lecture. So इसको भी आप A star search के साथ आप solve कर सकते हैं आप अपनी practice के लिए. So if you have any question you can send me an email. I hope आपने इस वीडियो को enjoy किया होगा. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.